Sanbonani and welcome to another crazy and a banger episode of Angisakufuni CMTV. Of course, I am your absolute fave at Mr. Juice SA, and this is your beautiful and your favorite show on CMTV Angisakufuni, which is a show where we actually bring couples that wanna leave their relationships because, my friend, the bottom line is it's not working anymore. And there's always a reason for a relationship not to work anymore. But you write to us, then we attend to your case. We bring you into the studio and we make means and get hold of the partner so that they can join us. Well, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, management, for coming through. You are here, I am here, and of course we are bringing you everything juicy, which is Angisakufuni. And if you are new, you are a new viewer, listen, my friend, do subscribe right here. And of course, make sure the bell notification is on so that you can always get alerts when we are uploading something new and you are the first to catch it and engage with us. Catch it while it's fresh. It is Angisakufuni, your favorite show. Well, there is a name by the name of Jabu. He wrote to us a beautiful long email. Uguti, you know what? I love her. I love her so much. I love her so much. I've been taking in a lot of things, but it has to end. Even if I love her, she has been cheating, and I've been reminding her and correcting her. But she will cheat again. Well, after the ad break, Ujabu is gonna join us. Then we sit and have a chit chat on this great couch. Great couch. You know, once you sit here, you leave that relationship. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a short break. Masbuya go at break. Uchabuzo's joiner and tell us a little bit of the side of the story so that we understand why he wanna leave this relationship. Rather, siyabuya ungaindawo. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is still your absolute fave, Mr. Juice SA, and of course you are still watching your favorite show, Angisakufuni CMTV. So if you just joined us, lalela ungatatazeli, you haven't really missed out. Before the ad break, I told you guys, I would say, umchita uye waspalela incwadi, we say, no man, I love her. I really love her so much, but she keeps cheating on me, so clearly it's not working. Even if she's being reprimanded in a right manner, but in a long run, she didn't get back to the line of cheating. So Umchita Uchabu wrote to us an email, and of course we did the most. We brought him in the studio so that he can come through and share his side of the story. So ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Lee, can I have Uchabu on the grey couch? How's this, my brother? Thank you so much for writing us an email. I hooked you, you see? Hey, I hooked up. You see, now I can hook you up. If you want to leave, DM us, so you send us an email like, yo, this is what's happening. This is what I want to do because I found a cheesecake missing in the house and you are not happy. My friend, you wrote us an email and you stated a lot of things that you're not happy with the good relationship. Because it didn't just become a mess. It was beautiful. Uhlangane kanjani sister Lona and the benjani relationship before it got to this part?
Oh wow, the relationship was beautiful, man. Even from the first time I saw her, man. Yeah. I was like, really, wow, I need to have this girl. I really need to have this girl, man.
And then, what kind of things that you guys used to get at, like activities, couples activities?
Obviously, you know the obvious one, but yeah, we'd go out to dates, go out for dinners. Yeah. Yeah, but eventually, I had to work the night shift, you know. Yeah. And that ruined much of my time, so I didn't spend much time with her. Yeah.
And then to notice because you did make it clear on the email she is cheating again. So, find out then how did you handle the situation?
No, I found out that she was cheating with one of my best friends.
Yeah.
From college days. Man.
Yeah.
So now, there was a day we were just chilling at the house and on the couch, and she went to the toilet. So I was like, "Aye, man, let me check her phone."
That you being curious to check the phone, were you there was something that perhaps triggered you to check the phone, or it's just like in both of you you can touch the phone?
No, we have each other's passwords. So she has my password, I have my password.
But
hi man. So there was a certain day where I asked her, "I'm gonna pick you up from your house."
Yeah.
So I got there, she wasn't home. So I called her sister. I'm like, "Hi man, where's your sister? I mean, where's your older sister?" She's like, "Hi man, she went somewhere." But I told her, "Let's meet up." So from that day onwards, I got suspicious.
Maybe she's back at with the cheating
thing again. Yes.
So now and then you find out okay, she's cheating again. When you confront her, because sometimes we forgive isn't a good relationship because a person behaves a certain way. So with her injani and then we are cheats.
Obviously, you know, she denied from the beginning.
But you had the whole evidence.
Yeah, I had evidence. When I showed her the day when I called her and she didn't pick up. We were supposed to meet up, but she doesn't show up. I check on her phone, they chat with this guy. I'm like, something is up. So I go and confront her about it. And one thing about this girl, she is very crazy, guys. But I like them like that anyway, so.
But now, with you rising as an image, you want to leave the relationship.
Yeah,
are you certain about your decision? Because the reason why they not really insist. They will say, "Dude, as much as I brought you here, so that you get it clear, you get the message." So are you certain get decision because you really want nothing to do with this relationship?
Yeah, I think I'm certain because I can't be fooled twice again. No,
I get you. So I'm gonna take it to the ad break, and then she's gonna join us. So I want you to share exactly the conversation that we just had. I would give you the opportunity to just have a conversation with her so that she gets your message.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So it is your favorite show, Angisakufuni CMTV. Well, we just try to just get into it a little bit so that we can hear inside the story. Like, is it since he made it clear, it's not the first time my girlfriend is cheating again, and on this time I just don't want to fix things because I did confront her. She denied it. And they say she's very creative when it comes to shaya. Like they clear, but there is evidence on the phone, even a phone. So after the break, she's gonna join us. I want to hear her side of the story before I even go in and feel for Uchab. But I want to hear her side of the story. Some issues with relationship that leads her, or there's situations that leads her on cheating, of which we don't really promote. We don't condone cheating, but they would have reasons for them cheating. It is Angisakufuni, and this is CMTV Sabwe. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is still your favorite show, Angisakufuni, the show that helps you live a relationship. Once you sit on this grey couch, you know very well, you are sure it's gonna be over. It's over. Well, I'm still blooming no Jabu. Who actually came to the show because his girlfriend yake ino moya wokuchitha. Says the email and the conversation we just had. So your girlfriend uno moya wokuchitha. Unento yokuchitha nje. So ladies and gentlemen, keep engaging with us. So I'm going to ask my producers to actually help us bring Ukuku on the couch so that she can also like speak for herself. You know, I want to hear the side of the story. We say, ngempela unawo yini moya wokuchitha. So Mr. Lee, can I have Gugu joining me? Hello. Right, hayibo umuntu wakho phela. Hayibona mhlola yami. Hayibo. We brought you on all you need is love to activate the love. Isn't this, don't you find this romantic? So many cameras.
Yeah, I can see.
And your person and everything as a CMTV. Lalela. Thank you for coming through. Umuntu akho sibalelile wathi ngicela nilethe umuntu wami uGugu kusho uyabona uziyazana.
Yeah, I'm sure ufuna ukuzongengage lana phambi kwena.
Awusanda izinto ezinjena yini?
Ngithanda cause u romantic.
Yayizwa. Jabu is as romantic, is a romantic type. Gugu just said. So ladies, ningazama ukuthi la. You understand? So if someone would say Khaya, awuchaze I relationship yakho no Jabu ungathini nje?
Umuntu wami like uJabu umuntu osweet, u romantic ngizophinda futhi again lelo gama like uyathanda ungikhipha siyodla out
inhle nje relationship yenu.
Yes, like inswempu nje yonke into ihamba kahle, hamba ngoline.
Niyazwela lapha emakhaya uGugu yena I-relationship uyizwa ikahle, ihamba kahle yonke into isaqondile. Jay, exactly how we just communicate, we just had a conversation in an hour. So I'm going to give you this platform, this opportunity manje ukuthi ukhulume noGugu umtshele ukuthi why umlethe lana kushow yethu enhlenkulu, why la ngicela ukuthi nje take this moment and have a conversation with her.
Gugu.
Yeah.
Yes, mama. Keep your hands to yourself. So I recently found out that you're cheating on me again, and I can't have this like behavior again. I seriously can't. I put so much money into this relationship. I almost brought you to my parents. I had that thought, or I must bring you to my parents, but after this happened, I can't anymore. So the reason why I called you to this show is that I feel like we need to break up, because it can't be the second time that you're cheating on me again. Now you're taking advantage of me. I'm sorry, but I have to move on. That's how I feel at this moment right now. You really broke my heart, man. You really broke my heart.
Like really?
Yeah, you did.
When out of all people. So lento le uyihlelile ukuthi uzongihlambalaza phambi komuntu like the whole world, because mara wena ungitshela
hayi yabona ke lento hayi
hayibo yazi hayibo
no sala ngapha
hayibo
hayi yabona uthi umusa ulo umusa ngiyamdinga Gugu awukwazi ukuthi ungaphamisa
isandla umuntu ngamawashing ingane yomfazi. Hayibo
manje ubodlubani ke ngitshela ukuthi ubodlubani
ngizokukhahlela
awukwazi yabona ukuthi
manje siyashare manje si2 manje siyashare
Kiyajola. Why ungakubuza ukuthi yini into edala ukuthi ngijole?
Ungayisho phela manje into edala ukuthi ujole, hayi ukuthi manje sowukhasile.
Hayi. Side lakhe.
Angithathi side lam but ngilwa nalento ukuthi manje sowukhumula ama jacket la soyafuthela. Uyakhahlela uzoginqa. Ukunyanyisa kanjani?
Ungangitshena ke like izolo lokho kade sisonke why ungangitshena?
The way you cheat me,
I'm like
in front of the whole South Africa. Yazi ukuthi umuntu kanjani wena hawo.
Yo, isendoda.
Hey.
Let me call you indoda. Hayibo.
Pega.
No, umswego is nothing. It's nothing. Okay, ngizokuhlaza ke mina. Yazini but
wena kuthiwa uyacheata again.
Okay, again. Again.
So manje ukuthi mengabe ukuthi ukuthiwa uyacheata again kusho ukuthi ngokwami into yakho and ungathi we expect ukuthi I accept futhi ungathi wena ungeke uthi kusho ukuthi awungforgivanga.
No, like akekho umuntu onengqondo ezi5 ongacheata nje I relationship if he right everything is okay.
Why?
So mengabe ukuthi uthi everything ithini ke isathu sakho uchithelana.
I can see now uyathanda indaba zabantu. That's why naye lana. Okay, let me tell you. Angithi ufuna ngikufake endabeni zethu. Okay.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm cheating sengiyakutshena ke manje angithi wena uzile la uzobukisa ngami.
Yeah.
Okay. Ukutshena like I will tell you uguy ungenzela yonke into everything ne I don't want
lo.
Yes lo
Angiyazi negama manje. Ngilibele akayazi.
Uyamnyanyisa kahle negama lakho ngikhohliwe kahle ngisamazi.
Ayakunyekela.
Mamela. Uyengenzela yonke into fine but there is la that I'm not even he's not satisfying me. I understand I'm burden. I understand. Unepipi enyoni lo. Just that's the reason why I'm cheating. Incane mfethu ukhona nje umuntu ozobekezelela into engaka.
So mengabe ukuthi
manje bokhalelani ke simply bokhalelani
obviously vela I have to pretend.
Bo pretend next wena.
Because uyabona nje the one let me tell you uyabona kuwo wonke lo 2 years I didn't even love you in the first time. I was just using you for your money.
It's fine.
And thank you for that.
I
understand. So ngiyaqalisela ke
manje ke mengabe ukuthi kanti enene ukusizile ukukhipha enhluphekweni yepipi elincane. Why ufuna uphakamisa isandla? Why ulwa uthi umuntu ethi akasakufuni? Because akasakufuni uhamba nepipi lakhe.
Ngizoyithola phi imali because I'm just using him for imali and the stuff.
No man.
Yeah.
I don't think something is for me. I don't think uthi wena you are a happy individual ngo wena ngawo.
That's why I favor lo muntu.
Because angeke uthi mina ungabi nandaba ube neaudacity yokuthi usho uthi angikuthandi ngikuthandela imali yakho. Uyakushiya again uhamba nemali yakhe then qhubeka nawe ke nempilo yakho.
Akahambe vele nepipi lakhe elincane ngizomenzani? Shuthi nje even if siyashada mina ngizobekezelela lento engaka. Angikwazi but angikwazi.
Hayi yazi na.
Angikwazi.
Hayi.
Brother Jay. My brother. You are single.
I'm so
you are now single. Sisigugu. Ngiyaxolisa mangawuthi ngiye ngakuphatha kabi ngoba manje ungathi nami angifuni uthi uyabona ungathi ucabanga ukuthi ngingena indaba zeni but ubrother usibhalile ngoba ebengathi uyayazi indaba ukuthi uzoba nodlami ngoba uyabona ukuthi namanje you just change the whole thing manje wakhumula amajackets walwa ungathi uyalwa but I'm just glad ukuthi uyasho uyamnikeza opportunity ukuthi mahambe nemali yakhe
vele mahamba
nawe ke ungabeke so ukuthi ke sewuyalwa futhi you understand so it's fine you are single ungaqhubeka nomuntu wakho lo bombona brother you are single you are available comment section is open down below ladies and gentlemen uJabu is available single right now and unemali and bathi unepipi elincane you understand ukuthi uzoba right so I'm going to see you guys on the next episode it has to come to an end ugugu unolaka kakhulu it's not going to work it was never going to work uJabu kham nemali bathi uyabo unjengonyovesi too I'm going to see you guys on the next episode. It's Angisakufuni.